Welcome to the Excel 2010 Expert Skills video course. Before learning to work with Excel, it's vitally important that you check your program and operating system version. When Excel 2007 was first released, it had many bugs, as do all computer programs of any size. Microsoft is very proactive at fixing bugs that are found, and always release these fixes free of charge as a service pack. Service packs normally only fix bugs found in the original program, but Microsoft sometimes take things a little further by including new or at least enhanced features with their service packs. I had many emails from viewers of my earlier videos suggesting that some of the examples didn't work for them. In almost every case, the problem was caused by an out-of-date version of the application or the operating system. After applying the relevant service packs, the problems vanished. For this reason, it's important that you make sure that your software is up to date. Now, nearly every user's software will be up to date because Microsoft's automatic updates tend to manage all of that automatically via the internet. The problem tends to occur when you're on a corporate network and your IT department have suppressed the automatic updates. So let's begin by checking which service pack your version of Excel has. To do that, you click the File tab on the ribbon and you enter Backstage View. The Backstage View is a major new Excel 2010 feature, and it allows you to do a huge amount of common tasks from one simple window. I'm now going to click the Help button at the bottom of the left-hand menu bar, and you can see the version of Excel in the right-hand pane. In my case, it's the 32-bit version, but a very small number of users may find that they have the 64-bit version of Excel 2010. All of the lessons in this book should work in exactly the same way with both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Now I'm going to click Additional Version and Copyright Information, and the About Microsoft Excel dialog appears. And the most important thing on this dialog is on the first line, where we see that I'm running SP1. This means Service Pack 1. If this says SP2, SP3, or an even larger number, this is also fine. It simply means that Microsoft have fixed even more bugs in their product since this video was recorded. If you don't see any reference to SP, you have an early unpatched version of Excel 2010 and you should update it. The update is free via the internet. Now that we're sure you're running the right Excel version, let's check on the operating system version. To do that, I click the System Info button at the bottom right of the dialog. And you can see on the first line of the right-hand pane that I'm running Microsoft Windows 7 Professional. But any version of Windows will suffice, be it Windows XP, Windows Vista, or Windows 7 in any version. The important part is on the second line, where you can see that I have Service Pack 1 applied. If you're using Windows 7, you should as a minimum have Service Pack 1. If it's Windows Vista, once again as a minimum Service Pack 1, and if it's Windows XP, as a minimum Service Pack 2. Sometimes your corporate policy will not allow you to upgrade your operating system or application service pack. In this case, you can still use this video, but be aware that it's possible that some of the features described may not work as expected, or indeed may not work at all. I'll now close the Open dialogues, and I'll return to normal Excel view by clicking the Home tab on the ribbon. And you've now completed Lesson 1.1, Check Your Program and Operating System Version.